Today we're picking up a U-Haul, and here's why. We have to get drywall, of course. As you've seen this, there are literally 4 pieces of drywall just underneath this window alone. Why, you may ask? I don't know. We've got some damage back here behind the water heater. So we pulled it out. I'm going to show you a slideshow of what we found. And right now we've got the recycle bucket under those pipes just in case they leak, although those have been shut off. So no hot water. We are getting ready for our Puerto Rico trip next year by practicing our cold water showers. I've already pulled off all the wallpaper off of these walls, and they look pretty good. I'm gonna remove the baseboards, and then when everything is gutted, we're going to then put up new drywall along this wall and this wall. We are going to remove all the adhesive, hopefully then, and then start mudding, painting, and then we're going to put up some faux brick paneling, and because it's going to make it look like really cottagey. I know that this house isn't brick, but a lot of the homes in the area are, and it's just kind of like the look and feel of a lot of the kitchen homes out here. And I've always loved like a brick, utility kitchen thing. And you might notice the plastic behind me. That's the archway that we basically uncovered by removing this big wall here in the kitchen, because otherwise it felt like you were walking through like a tiny little insane asylum, room by room by room. So on our way to pick up a U-Haul, and if things don't go as well as we planned, this entire cabinet area might come down as well. So just luck. On a side note, I found that some of my little hairs that come out of my face are pure white and gray. So I'm aging gracefully here in the GOE.